Hey guys, in this video, I'm super excited to tell you all about a new product that I've been working on, which is an Etsy store automation. And basically, this automation is going to take your product link and make your download instructions for you. It is going to list everything on Etsy for you, including doing your titles and tags and your description using AI. So I'm going to jump in and share my screen, and we're going to walk through it together just so you can have a good look at it. And if you're interested in it, I will be leaving the link for you as well. All right, let's dive on in so I can show you how it works. The first thing that I wanted to do is just show you exactly what is included in this automation. So basically there are 4 different automations that I've set up. The first one is actually this one, which generates the titles, the descriptions, and the tags for your listing. Then I also have the download instructions as well, so they automatically generate for you. Then I have the prepare and list on Etsy. Now I did add as a bonus this adding mockup images to a Google Drive folder, and then they automatically add to the product plan, and that's mainly because I found that part a little bit annoying myself, so I thought, oh, there has to be an easier way, so I created an automation to help everybody with it. So I'm just going to show you exactly how this all works together before we actually jump in and start putting it into your account. So the first thing that I'm going to do is pull up the product plan. So in this column here where we've got ID, this is going to be like your bundle code or your product code, or SKU if you want to use that term. So you really want to keep your product code in here, and I will show you why in a moment. Then in order to do the AI titles, description and tags, you need to put in a short description here of a product. So let's just say, we're going to say this one's virtual assistant website, sales page in soft watercolor pastels, editable in Canva. All right, so that's going to be our short description. So basically we just want to describe it in the best way possible so that AI has something to work with. Then the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to be selecting AI data here from the status. So if you just click on that, within about 10 seconds, it's going to update all of these columns here. Now, the reason I have included the quantity is because it's not going to change. If you're selling digital products, it's best to always put 999 as the quantity so that you don't have to constantly go in and change the quantity in your listing. So now, as you can see, it has come up with different ways to describe the item, which is what I always tell people to do. So this one says virtual assistant sales page template, comma, soft watercolor pastels landing page, comma, editable Canva website design. So we've described it in multiple different ways, so we'll be getting in front of as many different people as possible. It's then created an AI generated description, which you can tweak any of this if you don't like how it comes out. So feel free to just jump in and change any of this, because once that part is generated, then this is not going to be, it doesn't matter if you edit this before it becomes a listing, because this isn't going to be touched again until it becomes a listing. Then you've got the tags here. So again, if you don't like any of them, feel free to change them. Just make sure that none of your tag details are going to be more than 20 characters on each one, or it can stuff up the automation. So just make sure that you keep them short and punchy. Then you've got the quantity, of course. So basically in this sheet, anything that's in blue are things that we need to update. So when it comes to the price, of course, you need to change your price each time. The next section here then is download instructions. Now, in order for that to work, first of all, you have to set up your template, but I'll show you mine. It's just the demo one that I've got set up. But basically, all you need to do is add your product template link. It doesn't have to be a Canva template link. It can be a Google Drive link. It could be a Dropbox link. It could be whatever link you would be sharing with your customer. So whatever that link is, that's where you're going to put it here. Just make sure that it is something that they can access. So it does have to be like cloud storage or Canva or something like that. It can't be a file directly from your computer, like a zip file wouldn't work in this situation. So all you need to do is add your link here. Then you're going to go back over here and you're going to be changing this to download instructions. Now, after about 10 seconds, the download instructions will appear here. And see how it says complete now? It says download instructions complete. So we know it's done. And you can see the file is sitting here. Now, if we click on this, you can see here it's got instructions and it's got the product code here. So that's the same product code that is over there. Now, if we open it up, okay, so as you can see, when we click on it, it downloads a copy here. So if we click on open, you can see here, this is our download instruction sheet. Now you can add your store banner here. It's really simple. On the actual template, you just right click and you can replace the image. And I would just put your store banner from Etsy, so you can just download that and put it in there. And you can also put a promo down the bottom. Okay, so now we have the title, description, tags, quantity. We've filled in our price, our shop category, and we now have our download instructions there as well. So something that I added as a bonus was the product image automation. So you still have to create your own thumbnail images, but what I automated was getting the Google link for each. So let's just say I have them all in a folder. So let's just bring this over here. So this is the format that we would need to use. So have our product code -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, and whatever else we need. So if we were adding this one in, we would be saying, okay, my product code is DD01, and then this one is going to be image number 6. Now the reason that we're doing that is so that when we drag them into the Google folder, it is automatically going to assign them to this product. So the other option is that you manually add all of the links to the digital product plan yourself. And so I just thought that that was a bit annoying, and so I'm all about doing things simpler. So the easiest way is to just have all of these like this. Then what we would then do is go to this mockup images folder, or yours might be called something different, but whatever folder we set up for that automation is where we're going to be dragging them. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to select them all, drag them into this folder. Now once they are in this folder, that's when the automation will kick in. It is set up to do it like every 5 minutes or so. I just want to make sure that is uploading because it doesn't look like it is. Okay, there they go. So, oh yeah, it was freezing, said I was offline. Let's just check the internet. Okay, they seem to have come through now. So basically, once these are all dragged into this folder, the automation is then going to match up by that product code, and it's going to put them all in order all the way across here. So you can see they're starting to come through. Okay, so once you check everything is complete along here and everything's filled in, then all you need to do is change the status over here to prepare for listing. Now this is going to shoot all of this through into a listing on Etsy and save it as a draft. We can publish it as well, that is an option in there as well, but I'll show you how to do each one. So we're just waiting for this to say listed on Etsy. It should turn green with white writing any minute, and that'll mean that it's all fully processed for you. There we go. So that's now on Etsy. So if we go to our Etsy store over here and we hit refresh, there's our listing. So if we open that up, you can see that the title is complete here. We've got image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. They've all got individual numbers, so we can see that quite clearly. Number 1 is the main thumbnail image. We also have our instructions page coming across. You can see it is the correct one, which has the product code in it. Our description has also come across. Our price and quantity has also come across. We are in the paper and party supplies category, so that has also come across, and all of our tags have come across as well. And we're in the shop section, course creator. So as you can see, everything has come across perfectly as a listing. And so you could bank up your listings in drafts, or you could publish them depending on which one is your preference. So I know that most people like to save them to drafts and then publish them, drip them out each day or every couple of days or whatever your preference is. So I've taken off the option to publish it straight away and left it as a draft for now. But if you want it to publish straight away, we can just reconnect that in the automation, because I've left it in the automation for you, so you've got that option. So tell me, what do you think? It's pretty amazing, right? And I mean, in the beginning, I always wanted a virtual assistant to help me with listings, because I like the design side, but I really hate the admin repetitive listing process. And so I have tried lots of virtual assistants to help me with it. And so this sort of takes away the need for that, especially if you can't afford a virtual assistant in the beginning. This is a one-time fee and you're set up and you're running. And the ongoing cost for the automation, like through Make, I think it's like $16 a month would be more than enough to run this. So, it's fairly cost effective and will save you a lot of time. I mean, even generating the download instructions automatically saves a lot of time, but the listing process itself, it just zooms through. It's so fast, and having the titles, descriptions and tags done for you is just an added bonus. So my training does go through step by step on how to install every single part of it, and I do have a free Facebook group for you, for anyone that purchases it, so that you can ask any questions. If you get stuck on anything, I'm there to support you, so you won't be alone. So I hope that you found this interesting. If it is something that you are interested in, feel free to click through on the link in the description and also in the comments. And if you've got any questions, just reach out and let me know. I'm always happy to help. All right, have a fantastic day, guys. Bye for now.